leaving Kailua Park, continuing our journey towards the second half of this road to Hana. But first thing first, get something to eat. Perhaps a local famous delight, a banana bread. Our final destination on this journey would be Waimoku Falls in Haleakala National Park. We would be driving for another 90 minutes until we reached the park and then hike for another 2 hours to meet the falls. The Hana Highway is a very popular tourist attraction in Maui. Guidebooks often devote large sections to traveling the highway leading to the eastern side of Maui, documenting many waterfalls and attractions that can be found along the way. And even if you do not want to get out of your car, you still get to see a lot of these falls on your way to the end of this road. The famous Road to Hana, or Hana Highway, winds along the underdeveloped eastern coast of Maui with cliffs above the Pacific Ocean on one side and lush rainforest full of majestic waterfalls on the other.
Find a place to provide good quality, great tasting food for the people to come and enjoy. Yeah. So thanks for coming to the Hot House today.
Thank you very
Appreciate
much.
it. Aloha.
So I'll tell her the...
Yeah, right next door. She'll get your beverage for you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Aloha.
Support local businesses. These people out here, and especially during COVID, have really struggled and still are struggling. But you know, everything organic. Your smoothie, I think it's banana, papaya, and strawberry, and something else. Pineapple, and all
and
cocktail.
passion fruit.
And passion fruit, worth it. So you see I put the name down below, and we just always say, as you drive by, the small businesses, keep some cash on you and buy the food and the bread made from their fresh produce and the smoothies and ice creams and shakes and whatnot, and have fun. Aloha.
Not to repeat myself, but as I mentioned in part 1 of this Road to Hana, this highway passes over 59 bridges, of which 46 are only 1 lane wide. There are approximately 620 curves along Route 360 from east of Kahului to Hana. Almost all of it through lush tropical rainforest. Route 360 is a narrow and winding mountain road. Weather on these Hawaiian islands changes every minute. Sunshine, rainstorm, wind, and back to sunshine. And then some more rain. So weather forecasts don't really help, as these islands set their own mood. Whenever they want it, wherever they want it.
We want to go Pipiwai, right?
Huh?
You want to go that way?
Well, I thought you also want to see that coastal view, or you want to. We can come back for that later.
This is Pool 0.5. This is the tallest falls, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So we go first here. We're trying to go to. Right. Ain't got time for that. Let's keep moving. Rain's coming down hard. We're very tight on schedule. They close gates at 5. It's past a few minutes past 3, and it's supposed to be 2 to 3 hours trail. So we try to get back before time, or on time, so we don't get locked out, or locked in for that matter. It's a deep jungle, very steep plains and hike. We're trying to get to our destination, which is a waterfall. We're trying. Halfway is the bamboo garden, so either we return from there or we try to go all the way. We don't have much time. It's a park closed at 5, and we're already 30 minutes past 3. Wow, as we speak. Look at this.
Benyang, I think. It's a benyang.
That is the sound of the flash floods. I'm thinking if we should proceed, return, because there are warnings of flash flood all over the park and the trails, and I'm not sure. So with that sound of the flash flood, should we proceed? Two of us, my wife and I, and a couple dudes from Amsterdam who are, until now, who are still determined to keep going. You can hear them in my back. Wow, these are the flash floods, not a waterfall. You can see the power of this water. Now we're approaching the bamboo park, if you want to call it, or garden, or whatever. How crazy is that? Only if you can hear me. The background noise with this flash. Only if you can hear me in this background noise of the water. This is bamboo jungle that we are in. We are heading towards the epic waterfall, which was one of the major points. We drove all the way and then walked all the way in. flash floods behind me. I've been told that we're almost there, but that was said like an hour ago, and a few times by different people. The same thing. Almost there. I call it hope. Keep giving hope. We made it. Almost there. At least you can see the falls now. We made it. We're here. This was the last point. We're returning from here, back down there. Tomorrow, one more destination, and from there, back to New York. Isn't it lovely, Hawaii? Maui.